Hi! In front of me is Nothing Phone 2, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. You need to begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Security and Privacy. Then scroll down, click on Device Lock and tap on Screen Lock. After that, select the best locking method for you by clicking on it. Pattern, PIN or password. Then create it. Hit Next at the bottom right corner and repeat it in order to confirm it. Then select Confirm at the bottom right corner as well. Last but not least, answer this question: how do you want the lock screen to display your notifications? By tapping on one of those options. I don't want any, so I will go with the last one. And tap on Done. Finally, when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I guess that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!